Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. So today I got my car back. Yesterday I finally got my car back from the workshop. It's all okay now. They've replaced the radiator support, the bumper support, which is I think down there, it's plastic support, the crash member, as well as the bonnet. So those are new, as well as that headlight there. This headlight is brand new. Alright, so that's besides the point. For those of you who haven't watched my first video, I did explain that my exhaust setup is almost stock except for a muffler delete at the back. I will insert a few exhaust clips later on, but today we're heading over to Kyong Lee's performance workshop to see, to change out the stock extractor, which is here, covered by the heat shield. And yeah, the stock extractor is basically cast iron headers, which is really restrictive because right after here, actually right below this, is the catalytic converter, which is, I feel, a bit restrictive. So the stock setup is 4:1. You can't see it, but I'll insert a picture somewhere in the video so you can have a look. And today we'll be changing that out for a stainless steel 4:2:1 extractor, which should help with a bit of more power, maybe like 5 or less. But anyway, that should also free up the exhaust flow. That should also make it have a bit more peppy pickup, as well as no more cat. So we're gonna actually start destroying the environment, which is perfectly fine. Don't mind the background noise, but yeah. And I'll get a cold start exhaust clip as well, because I haven't started the car yet. It's early in the morning now. Well, not early, it's about 10 o'clock. But yeah, I'm going to get a cold start exhaust clip, and then I'm going to rev it a little bit, and then we'll do a comparison after, once we come back home and we have the 4:2:1 extractor installed, and hopefully there should be a bit of difference in the exhaust note, but we'll find out soon. Alright guys, so we're now at TWC Car Audio. I'm here with the myvi Penang admin. He's getting a couple of stuff done on his car. As you can see here, this is a 4 series. I'm not sure if this is the original M4. He's got some few carbon bits. We'll just have a walk around. Really nice carbon bits here and there. It's a legit carbon hood. Look at those massive brakes. Yep, they're just testing out his new horn, and it sounds absolutely crazy compared to the stock we're on. Anyway, I've got the extractor done, as you can see here. Beautiful stainless steel. However, the noise is a lot louder than I expected it to be. I didn't expect the cat on the myvi to do that much sound muffling. So it's absolutely crazy. It's way too loud. I definitely need to get a muffler. Sometime in the future, I need to get a muffler for sure, because otherwise I'll get pulled over for it just being too loud. So yeah. So far I'm enjoying the setup. The pickup is definitely a lot better as well. Just the lack of laziness. It just wants to get up and go for low range is pretty good compared to last time on the stock extractor. So let's get a short exhaust clip. That was only about 2,000 to 3,000 RPM. I'm not bringing this to redline, not during the daytime, not in public. I can't bring it to redline anywhere now. I will definitely get pulled over. I'll get reported on. And the car smells like gas at the back, because it's the lack of the cat. It's just straight up beautiful banana manifold. Let me see if I can get better angle. There we go. So you can see there, 4:2:1. So absolutely crazy. total I did this. The extractor itself cost 350 ringgit. Installing labor charges is only about 50 bucks. So yeah, worth it, definitely, because the car just feels a lot better in general. But if you're going with this setup, please get a muffler. It is way too loud for a straight pipe like this. I'm gonna get a muffler soon enough. So yeah, I'm still deciding which muffler to get, but definitely there will be a muffler. So yeah, that is it pretty much for today's video. And if you like the video, leave a like. If you dislike the video, leave a dislike. And subscribe to the channel if you want to see more content like this. And stay tuned because this setup won't be staying for too long. And yeah, see you guys next time.